You off and running, huh? Can I stop you? Ready? Ready?
Zoom!
Go! Yay! Yay! Are you going to do some agility for us? Probably. You a teddy bear! You want to see everybody but us! Where are you going? You want to see everybody but us! Hey! Hi! Hi! Everybody but us!
Because I haven't been out in a while.
Oh, what are you in there fetch? Oh my goodness!
Tough boy, tough boy.
Got from the shelter in September. Is it on a weekend? Yeah, Sunday from 11 to 4. And it's just going to be, I don't know, I don't even know.
Wait.
I don't even know
Take a breath.
how many or if they're going to take live dogs there. Do you know which? The 27th.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the shelter's going to participate in that. Because I think the directors opened it up now for some remote adoptions.
What? Hey, Ethan. What?
What I want to do. How I want to do it.
Hey, I already have one like you.
Yeah.
Kona.
We have another Karen mix.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And
to be a
she's
hairy
as
dog.
bad as you. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Oh.
Tail wagging.
You look good.
His little tail wagging.
They feel good. Munch. I'm munch.
Kind of dog usually takes him. Well, he's accepted. Yeah. He's just the total
ready?
package. They just want to take
Will you divorce me now?
because he's so happy.
Do you want to divorce me now?
He's assertive. You know, we
Like
have to have a dog that's not too independent. So, yeah, we're gonna
Little werewolf.
This one's a keeper.
Okay, go get him.
This one's a keeper.
Where are you going? Bye-bye.
No.